Good day, everyone. We are going to talk about the typical and atypical development among children at early childhood, 3 to 8 years old. So, what is child development? Child development defined as a normal progression by which children change as they grow older by acquiring and refining knowledge, behavior and skills. Parent and other adults such as grandparents and child care providers play important role in children's development. There are four stages of child development, which is infancy, birth to 2 years old, early childhood, 3 to 8 years old, middle childhood, 9 to 11 years old, and adolescence, 12 to 18 years old. Each stages is organized around the primary task of development for that period. Early childhood, 3 to 8 years old, is the time of tremendous cognitive, physical, and socio-emotional and language development. So it is important to understand this concept, because everything related to the human development can be traced back to these four domains or development. So there are four development milestones among early childhood. So first development is cognitive cognition development. So it's how children think, explore, and figure things out. It is development of knowledge, skills, problem solving, and disposition, which helps children in think and understand the world around them. Brain development is a part of cognitive development. So there are four aspects in cognitive development. So they are reasoning, intelligence, language. So let's proceed to another development milestone. So number 2 is motor or physical development. So motor physical development means the physical growth and strength of child bones, muscles, ability to move and touch their surroundings. So growth and physical changes that happen to the body. Two areas of physical development include gross motor skills and fine motor skills. So physical aspects: body proportions, appearance, brain development, motor development. Physical development it is refers the developmental of physical changes such as size and strength. The development occurs in both motor skills and fine motor skills. The development of these senses and their uses are also part of this physical development, which is influenced by illness and nutrition. Variety of food is also important to ensure that kids get nutrients that they need for healthy physical development. So, fine motor skills development, it is involved refined use of small muscles which control the hand, fingers, and thumb. With the development of these skills, a child is able to complete important tasks such as writing, feeding oneself, buttoning, and sieving. Fine motor can develop through experiences involving materials that support building strength in the arms and in fingers as well. Then gross motor skills development naman involves the large muscles in the arms, legs, and torso. Gross motor activity is important to everyday physical activities like walking, running, throwing, lifting, kicking, etc. to help the children learn how to coordinate and control their body movements. And gross motor skills also help lay the foundation to be able to complete fine motor skill movement. The third one of the development milestone is socio-emotional development. So, social and emotional development in the early years, also referred to as early childhood mental health, emerging capacity to experience, regulate, and express range of emotions, develop close relationship with other children and adults. So, actively explore their environment. So, sabi sa social emotional development, it is defined as the changes in ways we connect to other individuals and express and understand emotion during the social emotional stage. Children develops develop self-knowledge, the ability to cooperate, to show empathy, and use moral reasoning. They also begin to identify what others feeling, and they also learn how they identify with other different groups, and their innate temperament will also come into play. And the fourth stages of development milestone is the language development. Language development is the process by which children comes to understand and communicate language during early childhood. So it is important part of child development. It is support the child's ability to communicate and also supports the ability of a child express and understand feelings, think and learn, solve problem, and develop and maintain in relationship. So sabi sa language development, the children move through stages of language development, no? But there is a good of variability from child to child in the age at which each stage appears before they able to use words and fans communicate by crying, babbling. So, punta naman tayo sa typical and atypical development. So, typical development, it refers to children acquiring a wide range of skills similar to the majority of their same age within their same culture. The term typical development is more accepted by the parents than the term normal development. Child development is typically defined as normal progression by which children change as they grow older by acquiring and refining knowledge, behavior, and so, ibig sabihin po ng typical development or this type of development is yung tinatawag natin na normal development or normal progression, no? That the children is acquiring your acquisition of development milestone or yung 4 areas ba ng development milestone, yung physical, cognitive, social, emotional, and language. Atypical development. Atypical development used to describe children whose differences in development are to a marked degree or whose development appears to be significant, inconsistent with normal children development. A child who is described as having a developmental delays who perform significantly below the average performance of a large group of children of the same age in one or more 5 developmental areas. So, ang atypical development naman po is this is the opposite ng typical development. Yung sa typical is yung development of the children is following the normal progression. So, no. Dito naman sa atypical is not following the normal course. So, there is no normal progression occurs such as the way that there are some developmental delays and delay kasi later than earlier or later than other children, there is a delay under the process of the development. Kung baga, pag silang pa lang ay mayroon ng depekto yung isang bata from infancy to adolescence. So, dako naman po tayo dito sa 3 years of age or birth to 3 years old po. Yung typical development milestone and atypical development milestone nila or yung pagkakaiba, ano po? So, yung cognitive learning, thinking, problem solving, yung plays, make believe with adults, animals, and people sa typical development po. Then sa atypical development naman po is doesn't play, pretend, or make believe. Then, yung movement and physical development, yung typical developmental milestone nyo po is walk up and down stairs, 1 foot on each step. Then sa typical naman po is falls down a lot or has trouble with the stairs. So dito naman po sa 4 years of age or early childhood, yung social emotional niya, yung sa typical development milestone niya po is plays mom and dad. Kumbaga, nagikipaglaro na po siya sa parent or sa ibang bata. Then yung sa atypical development naman po niya is ignore other children or doesn't respond to people outside family. Yan po. Kumbaga, di po siya nakikipaglaro sa mga bata, sa labas, or nahihiya po. Then sa language and communication naman po, know some basic rules of grammar such as correctly using he and she. Then sa atypical naman po nito is speak unclearly, doesn't use me and you correctly. Sa cognitive naman po niya, sa typical development milestone, it is plays board or card games. Then sa atypical naman po, it is show no interest and interactive games or make believe. Then sa movement and physical development naman po, so the 4 cats with supervision and matches own food. Then sa atypical naman niya po is has trouble scribbling. And dito naman po sa 5 years of age of early childhood, social emotional niya po, typical development milestone is want to place friends. So ang atypical development niya po is usually withdrawn and not active. Then sa language and communication, yung typical development niya po is speak very clearly. Dito naman po, malinaw na po siya magsalita, no? Then sa atypical development naman po, it is doesn't talk about daily activities. Dito naman po sa 6 to 8 years old of age, sa social and emotional, ang typical development milestone niya po is understand more about his or her place in her world. Then sa atypical development naman po, plays best with younger children. Then sa language communication, yung atypical development niya is speak only 2 to 3 words sentence even his native language or Spanish. Then sa thinking and learning naman po, shows rapid development of cognitive processing, mental and skills. Sa atypical po, can only follow single step direction. Then sa movement and physical development, yung atypical development po niya is need physical help and with bathing and brushing teeth, and has physical delays and activities like catching a ball and hopping. To test your understanding with regards in our topic, here are my questions. Number 1, why child development important? Then number 2, what are the difference between typical and atypical development?